Ay talaga naman po eh. Actually, we are already, it is already brewing in our midst. Kasi yung nakita po na pambabraso doon po sa ating paliparan, kung saan naman na openly the executive has defied the lawful order of the Supreme Court, ay nagkaroon na po ng collision course ang Korte Suprema at ang executive na hindi naman po dapat mangyari. And just because the president does not want to lose face, since he's losing hair, he cannot afford to lose face, eh wag naman ganon. Well, talagang special treatment po ang ating Pangulo. Kasi siya lang po nakita kong tao na natapos ang investigasyon ng Lunes, Biyernes may warrant of arrest na. So talagang special treatment. Now with respect to President Estrada, that's comparing apples and oranges. Iba naman po yung kalagayan noon ng dating Pangulong Estrada, iba naman po ang kalagayan ng dating Pangulong Arroyo.